Good afternoon, folks. This is Fred Campos, owner of DFW Website Designers. It is May the 27th, 2022, Friday. This is episode number 400 of your 3 business tips at 3 o'clock in and around 3 minutes. Small business owners, solopreneurs, I've told you before, I believe it was in episode 338, that when I was in college, professors would get together once a year, maybe twice, once a semester, and have something called the last lecture series. What this was would be a series of ideas that they would pour from their heart that had nothing to do with academics, that they swore would be key elements to huge success in life. I loved these Lexium speeches from former professors. They were awesome. So I am giving my second last lecture series. Today, we're going to talk about daily habits, daily reading, and daily exercise. And small business owners, you probably found there is a key word in there, which I have seen as a web designer to be a life-changing event, and that's the word daily. I have seen rich plumbers, rich writers, rich bloggers, rich just about you name it business, and there is one element that is a thread in every one of them. It is daily consistency. So business tip number 1 is a daily habit. You should have some sort of habits that you do or routines that you do every day that is every day. Every day. Like brushing your teeth is a habit. Brushing twice a day is a habit because you do it every day. You do it on Christmas Day. You do it on your day off. We're talking about daily habits. When we think about Warren Buffett, who is still, or his company is, the best stock picker, he looked and studied stocks every day, including Christmas Day. When we think about Stephen King, the writer, I'm told that he wrote every day, including Christmas Day. When we think about Bill Gates starting out in the software industry, they worked and dealt with things every day. There is a key element to this, and that is daily habits. Business tip number 2 is they say leaders are readers, or anybody that reads isn't necessarily a leader, but every leader is a reader. Basically, you should have some form of input that occurs in your life every single day. Read a book, listen to an audiobook. I absorb about 30 to 40 books a year. I use Audible as one of the ways to help me. But almost every successful business person I know takes some part of their day and reads. I even met a businessman once in my earlier life that spent the whole day traveling, didn't read anything. He went into a restaurant and read the menu 10 times because he told me, I'm not going to bed without reading something. Now that's a little extreme, but it gives you an idea about daily reading. Business tip number 3 is some form of daily exercise. Could be walking, could be going to the gym, could be doing exercise routines at your home or office, but there is something about doing exercise daily. Most successful business people that I know have some sort of exercise routine. So there we go. That's my advice to you. We're talking about daily habits, daily reading, and daily exercise. That's what I'm learning. Anything I learn, I throw over the fence to you guys. Happy 400th, because I want you guys to be awesome. Now go back to sleep.